Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many beginner React developers face. The issue at hand involves handling states within a small chat app project. So let's break down the problem here. When working on the chat app, the developer encountered a situation where the contact information was stored in a state. The goal was to update the state based on the selected contact's ID. However, despite setting up the logic, there was a hiccup in updating the contact information correctly each time a new contact was selected. The challenge lies in ensuring that the contact information updates dynamically as new contacts are selected. So how can we tackle this problem? Let's explore the solution. The key aspect to address first is the type discrepancy between the selected ID and the contact IDs. By using loose equality comparison on the contact ID in the find method, the state can be updated correctly and dynamically. This ensures that the contact information updates accurately based on the selected ID. This small tweak can make a big difference in resolving the issue. Now, to enhance the solution further, we can focus on updating the state to hold a number instead of a string. By using the unary plus operator or number method to convert the selected ID to a number, we maintain consistency in the data type. This adjustment ensures that the contact information is accurately retrieved based on the selected ID, without any type conflicts getting in the way. Taking it a step further, an alternative approach is to pass the selected contact object directly to the handler function, avoiding the need to iterate through the contact list repeatedly. By storing the selected contact in the state, we can streamline the process and ensure that the correct contact is displayed based on the user's selection. This method offers a more efficient way to manage and update the contact information in the app. In summary, by addressing the type consistency issue and refining the state management approach, we can overcome the challenge of updating contact information dynamically in the chat app. Remember, small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your React projects. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!